Before I get started, is there anything that either one of you would like to say to me? Anything?
Like what, Bubbles? She get takeaway. We get some picture and a video. What you talk about?
Okay. Is there any new pictures or videos?
Yeah, Michelle, you have it on your phone?
I thought you said that we're not supposed to get any police involved.
What's wrong with you? How we ever investigate if we don't get police involved? You're a detective?
God, Carlton! Between you and your brother, this place is going to become one armed barracks.
Is there any new pictures or videos?
Michelle, where your phone? Come on, man.
Here.
So, Mr. Wallace, do you recognize the number that these pictures and videos are coming from?
What? No. Why would I recognize it?
Okay. You recently acquired a new spot. Caldo Tours?
Yeah, so what I have to do with this?
Just out of curiosity, Mr. Wallace, how did you acquire the funds?
Hold on. So me under investigation too? Me a prime suspect?
I just want both of you to know that in this investigation, I am crossing every T and dotting every I.
Well, I not into that because me no know what you talk about. Look, me get my funds from a trust fund when me leave for Janelle and her sister. I borrow back the funds, flip it, and get Calder Tours. Enough for you?
That's what I'm talking about, Mr. Wallace. Clarity. Now, Mrs. Wallace, you recently lost your radio station, right? It was sold for $12 million. US to be exact.
And what are you getting at?
Well, I'm just asking a question. That would mean you're broke, in need of cash.
Bubbles, I think you're out of line. You're trying to say she kidnapped her.
This is a full investigation. That's why you call me here, right?
Yes. I'm broke. But I would never do anything to harm my child.
Emotional much. I'll have you know that there are 4 such cases with parents being involved in the kidnapping or taking of their child. So, careful. You may just need a lawyer. I forgot. You know one. And a very good one too. I will be in touch.
What just happened a while ago?
You brought that bitch here to come interrogate me? In Wallace's.
What she interrogate me too?